Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho for beginners. We'll start with the heart of any great pho, the broth. You'll want to use about 2 to 3 pounds of beef bones, like knuckle or marrow, for a robust foundation. Don't forget to toast your whole spices, such as star anise, cloves, and a cinnamon stick, to release their aromatic oils. Then, let everything simmer gently for at least 3 to 4 hours, allowing those incredible flavors to meld beautifully. Next up, let's talk about aromatics and the beef. Charring your onions and ginger directly over a flame until they're slightly blackened adds a wonderful sweetness and depth to your broth. For the beef, aim for very thin slices, about 1/8 of an inch thick, cut against the grain to ensure maximum tenderness. You can use various cuts like brisket, flank, or even thinly sliced eye of round for a delightful textural experience in your bowl. Now let's get those noodles and toppings ready. For the noodles, fresh flat rice noodles are ideal, but dried ones work too. Just make sure to cook them al dente so they retain a slight chew. The fresh toppings are crucial for that authentic pho experience. Gather an abundance of fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and mint. Don't forget the crisp bean sprouts, bright lime wedges, and thinly sliced chilies to customize each delicious bowl. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, assembling your perfect bowl of pho. Start by placing your cooked rice noodles at the bottom of a large bowl. Then, arrange your thinly sliced beef, whether it's raw eye of round or cooked brisket, over the noodles. Ladle that incredibly fragrant, piping hot broth over everything. It will gently cook any raw beef to perfection. Finish with a generous scattering of fresh herbs and garnishes for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.